Always listen to your friendly pet squirrels, because I guarantee you there's probably a snake or there's something. You guys hear that barking? See that squirrel up there shaking his tail? He's looking down at something. Take notice of that, because 9 times out of 10, he's telling all of us something. He's got his eye pointed at something, and looks like it's something over behind that chicken coop. It's probably a snake. I would bet you my hide on it. It's probably a snake has come out from somewhere. Oh, it's that cat. Look, look. That's a feral cat. See him black and white right there? See him kind of moving off? There he goes, right there. See? Listen to your listen listen to your surroundings. Good job, squirrelies.